What if the secret to jaw-dropping furniture was nothing more than a grid of 45-degree lines, and the patience to follow them? Every masterpiece starts as a rumor in your mind, a whisper that says, "I could build that," but you doubt you'll ever get the angles right. Today I'm handing you the blueprint, the exact rhythm that turns humble Tasmanian oak into a herringbone heartbeat for any room. Rule 1, anchor the spine. Find the dead center of your bench top, because every perfect 45 will grow from this line like branches from a trunk. Rule 2, split the difference. Offset your guide timber by exactly 22, so each chevron locks in without argument. Rule 3, never trust a naked plank. Pre-drill every pilot hole, because PVA glue plus screws from underneath equals armor for decades. Imagine clamping a straight edge the full length, a silent guardrail, so the first piece sits at a flawless 45, and every sibling after it falls obediently into formation. Work one side, flip, then mirror the pattern, so the arrows chase each other toward a vanishing point only you can see. Skip the nail gun this time. Strip by strip with screws lets you disarm mistakes before they become permanent scars. Let the glue cure overnight, clamps humming like sleeping guards, because tomorrow you'll sand away every whisper of imperfection. 80 grit first, 120 grit last. Feel the surface go from gravel to silk under your palm. That's the moment you know it's yours. Edge it with 30 by 12 Tasmanian oak. Let the lip overhang by 6, so the top looks twice as thick, without the hernia. Test fit before you stain. Mark the sink, outline the cooktop, because sanding a hole you later cut out is sanding your own time dust. Walnut water-based stain. One coat only, let the grain drink just enough color to warm the room, but not hide the story. Seal it with clear coat, sand between layers, until your reflection smiles back without distortion. Slide it into place, step back, and watch the herringbone arrows pull every eye toward a future you sketched with glue and grit. Remember, precision at the start equals forgiveness at the end, because the first 45-degree plank is the domino that decides the entire cascade. Your bench top doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be yours. Every saw mark a timestamp of the night you chose to build, not buy. Close the workshop lights, carry the piece inside, and let the timber whisper thanks as it warms with the smell of dinner and laughter. If this felt impossible yesterday, remember that impossible is just a deck of timber, waiting for you to deal it into order.